So this task was a little challenging at first for me, but once I got the hang of it, it actually wasn't so bad. So to use Mendeley, which is the one I chose and how I used it, you first have to download its software. I think it's easier just to download the software onto your computer, as well as the citation creator, which can be used on Word to create your bibliography or references. So first, to create reference citations, you can use the add button here on online, not on the application yet, and for an article or whatever you are wanting to reference. So it'll say import a document, and which means you should already have whatever article, which if you found it on a database, to reference, you should have that downloaded on your computer as a PDF file, and I'll show you how to how that happens, or what happens when you do that. So I'm going to click import document, and then this is my PDF of the article that I want to import and reference. So I'm going to click it and click open, and it's right there. So hopefully, if we go into my app, which is down in my tab bar over down here, you can't really see it, you click it up and it is not, let's click sync, and there it is, pops up right there. And so since it's synced, if you want to reference that article, you will have to open Word, and then you are going to go to references, and there should already be something here for you. So you're going to click insert citation, and then search whatever your article is called. Completely forgot. A study of geometry. So that is what you are going to want to look up. So references, then a study, and all your ones pop up. You can click the one you want, and you click OK. I hope. Okay, there it goes. Okay, and so that's your reference as far as I know, and then you go to references and you can actually insert the bibliography for that reference, and then there we go. And then usually you can separate the bibliography into a separate page if you want, and the reference is right there.